Today, I'd like to talk to you about a fundamental aspect of database management in Oracle about the create table command. The create table command allows us to create a new table in our Oracle database. A table acts as a structured collection of data organized in rows and columns, much like a spreadsheet. The basic syntax of create table command look like this. Create table, table name, opening first bracket, column 1 name, data type, constraint, comma, column 2 name, data type, constraint, comma, end of the create table bracket, and end of the statement or termination character. Table name. This is the name you choose for your new table. Column 1 name, column 2 name. These are the names of the columns you want to include in your table. Data type. Each column requires a data type such as varchar2 for variable length string, number for numeric values, or date for date type values. Constraint. Constraints are optional rules applied to the columns such as primary key, foreign key, unique, or not null, which help maintain data integrity. Let's look at the example. To clarify this further, suppose we want to create a table for storing customers' information. Here's how the command might look. The table name is customers. The data type number has a length of 4, while varchar2 has a length of 10. The not null constraint applies at the column level ensuring that a column cannot contain null values. The default keyword is used to set a default value such as system date. If a user tries to submit a value for that column, constraint can also be declared at the row level using the constraint keyword. var pk, var uk are variable names. A primary key constraint is applied to the customer ID column and a unique key constraint is enforced on the email column, which means duplicate email addresses are not allowed. In this example, we have created a table named customers with 5 columns: customer ID, first name, last name, email, okay, and created at. The customer ID is defined as the primary key, as we discussed already, ensuring that each customer has a unique identifier. The email column has a unique constraint preventing duplicate email addresses. Additionally, the created at column automatically records the date and time the record was created. This is created at column. The data type is date. Okay. Here, dex command is used to see the description of the created table. We have to write in such way: dex table name. So this is the table structure. Thank you.